Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Hidayah from batch 2017. Today, I will present to you about my thesis proposal with the title A Descriptive Study on the Problems in Teaching English in Elementary School in Banjarmasin. Chapter 1 Background Phrases, questions, significances, and definitions of key terms. The first, background. According to Randall 2010, page 30, in general, the English teachers who teaches in elementary schools should have at least five criteria. The first, adequate English skills which are continually improved. Second, variety of teaching, assessment, and classroom management. Third, quality of effective teachers, such as patient, kind, humorous, creative, and justful. Fourth, professional attitude and involving in quality improving activities. Five, open-minded, keep learning, and try new things for their pupils. However, the complexity of teaching and learning English in Indonesia inevitable affects the teaching and learning English to young learners. The success of teaching and learning to young learners depends partly on how problems are identified so that solutions can be found. This research, therefore, tries to elaborate the problems in teaching and learning English in elementary school regarding the teachers, techniques, resources, and facilities. Research question: what are the problems in teaching and learning English in elementary schools in Banjarmasin? Significances: the first for teacher, to give ideas of what children need in learning English in the elementary schools and help the teachers improve their teaching and learning activities. The second for institution, to give ideas in improving teaching and learning process in school to reach better results. The schools can overcome the problems by providing facilities and other needs to support teaching and learning English in the schools itself. And the last for parents, to help parents understand the importance of keeping appropriate teaching and learning activities to their children. Definition of key terms. The first, problem. The problem occurs in the process of teaching and learning English in elementary schools in Banjarmasin. Second, teaching. Teaching in this research is the process of teaching English which is done by the teachers in elementary schools in Banjarmasin. And the last, young learner. Young learner is the student of elementary schools in Banjarmasin. Chapter 2 Review of Literature. There are four. The first, characteristic of young language learner. The second, theories of children development. The third, characteristics of teaching children. And the last, teaching English to young learners in Banjarmasin. Chapter 3 Method of Research. There are four. The first is approach and type of research. Qualitative approach is used in this research. In form of survey for the research is aimed to give a clear description about problems in teacher and in learning English on the fourth grade of elementary schools in Banjarmasin. This research is conducted to find the problems in teaching and learning English in elementary schools in Banjarmasin. The problems are found by doing a survey and observation on the English teachers of the elementary schools. Therefore, the research is focused on some variables including techniques, resources, and facilities in the process of the teaching and learning English in elementary schools. The second, instrumentation. First, questionnaire. This research uses questionnaire in collecting the primary data in each elementary school. This questionnaire is given to the English teachers who meet the requirements. It consists five questions related to the variable divided into three topics. The questions are meant to get the information about teaching problems in techniques, researches, and facilities. The second, guided interview form. The interview applies guided interview form consisting of nine questions items. Those questions are the main focus of the data collected through questionnaire. Data collection. Distributing the questionnaire and interview. Distributing the questionnaire. The questionnaire is given to the English teacher in each sample school. The teacher should meet the requirement to become the subject of questionnaire. The questionnaire are collected within a week after it is distributed. Interview. The interview is conducted to the English teacher in each sample school. Only one teacher is interviewed. The subjects of interview is taken from the teachers who got the questionnaire. In addition, the interview records the interview by using voice recorder or video recorder. Data analysis. The data of Thesis is analyzed by describing, organizing, summarizing, synthesizing the data and relating them to the theory of teaching. The steps in analyzing the data are: the first, identifying the problems in the elementary school; second, describing all the variables and relating them to the theory of teaching English to young learners; third, categorizing the problems into three main categories: techniques, researches, and facilities; fourth, presenting the problems based on the percentage of the most common problems; and the last, summarizing the result of the data analysis. Yes, that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.